Let's move to the second paragraph. When the ground was still, he hit the call button. So, when the ground was still, he hit the call button to whom? To his wife. Okay. But there was no answer. And he wondered if the network was down. So, he wondered that the network was down. So, then he observed a strange phenomenon. Phenomenon means here an unusual event in nature. There was an unusual event in the nature. Okay. So, the water in the harbor had begun to rise very rapidly. Here harbor means seaport. In Kannada, Bandaru. Okay. Had begun to rise very rapidly. Rapidly means fastly. And the anchor ships seemed to swirling. Swirling means movement of something that twists. Okay. He ran to the higher ground with others. So, he ran to the higher ground with other place. Okay. Then he acquired. Acquired means happen. So, there was something happened to the director that Nicobar Island are low lying islands and some like Car Nicobar Islands stand no more than a few meters above the sea level at their highest point. This made him anxious means fearful. So, hearing this he was fearful. Okay. So, there was the islands, Nicobar Islands are low and they were lying, and some like Nicobar Islands stand no more than a few meters above the sea level. So, this made him fearful. Okay. So, the director knew that a government office in Car Nicobar had satellite phone. So, the director knew that a government offices in Car Nicobar had satellite phones. Satellite means a planet. Okay. He dialed the number again and again. So, he dialed the number to whom? To his wife again and again. When he got through, he received the news that Malacca had been badly hit. So, he received the news that Malacca, where his family stayed, this had been badly hit and there were some survivors. So, some who have the lives, but as for his family there was no news. But about his family there was no news. So, the director kept calling, and in the afternoon he learnt that his 13-year-old son had been found clinging. Clinging means to attach to the rafters of a church. Rafter means one of the large sloping beams that hold up roof. Okay. He spoke to his son directly later that night and learned that the family had been in the bedroom when the earthquake started. So, when the earthquake started, earthquake means bhukampa in Kannada. Okay. So, when the earthquake started, the family had been in the bedroom. Okay. A terrifying sound from the direction of the sea had driven them into the drawing room. They had been in the bedroom when the earthquake started, but when the terrifying sound from the direction of the sea had driven them, they were into the drawing room. Okay. It driven them into the drawing room. But the boy had kept running. But the boy, the director's son, had kept running when the wave hit. The house dissolved. Dissolved means change into splinters. Splinters means small pieces of wooden broken off the house. So, and the boy was carried away as if on a wind. So, he was carried away on a wind. Okay. Flailing his arms, he managed to take hold of something. And the boy managed to take hold of something in his arms that seemed to be fixed to the earth. Okay. That seemed, he think that is that to be fixed to the earth. Through wave after wave, he managed to keep his grip. So he managed his grip means he tightly hold the something. He hold something in his hands. Okay, when the water receded. When the water receded means moving back, he saw that he was holding on to the only upper right structure. Okay, when he saw that he was holding on to the only upper right structure. Okay, and your mother and sisters, the director had asked. So director had asked to his son that, and your mother and sisters, where are they? Then he replied that, Baba, they just disappeared. So Baba, they were not here, they were just disappeared. And now for the first time the boy began to cry. The director's heart broke. Father's heart broke, and because he knew his son was crying, because he thought he would be scolded and blamed for what had happened. The director's heart broke because he knew that his son was crying, because the director or father would be scolded and blamed for what had happened. So with the intervention of the local administration, intervention means help, with the help of the local administration and the officers on the airbase, he was able to get on a flight the very next day. So with the help of the local administration and the officers on the airbase means Vayu Nele. Okay, he was able to get on a flight. Okay, and flight very next day. He spent the day searching through the rubble. So he spent the day searching through the rubbles means broken pieces of woods. Okay, and found many possessions means many means in Kannada asti. Okay, but no trace of his daughter or wife. But there was any trace of his daughter or wife. He came back to Port Blair with his son that same evening. So he returned with his son the same evening. Okay, when he went to Car Nicobar for the second time, I too went with him. So here the speaker said that when he went to Car Nicobar for the second time, he also went with him. Okay, so the road wound through a dense tropical jungle. There was a jungle, okay, through their way. Okay, so it is a dense tropical jungle. Dense means thick jungle. It was a thick jungle. Tropical means ಉಷ್ಣವಲಯದ ಕಾಡುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪೇರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ being concentrated along the sea front. So the population being concentrated along the sea front. Sea front means kadala tira. Okay, I saw to my surprise that many thick strands of coconut palms. Thick strands means coconut garden. Okay, of coconut palms were still standing even on the edge of the water. Okay, so the coconut palms also still standing even on the edge of the water. As for the forest, the canopy seemed almost undisturbed. And here canopy means covering. The forest is covering seemed almost undisturbed. Okay, all trace of habitation on the other hand had been obliterated. Okay, so all trace of habitation means ವಾಸವಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. Okay, all trace of habitation on the other hand had been obliterated means destroyed. Okay, it was evident means clear that the tsunami had been peculiarly selective in the manner of its destruction. Peculiarly means specially, okay, specially selective in the manner of its destruction. Destruction means downfall, okay. It had caused maximum possible damage to life and property and had left nature largely unharmed. So it has caused maximum possible damage to life and property and had left nature largely unharmed, okay.